Hi friends, welcome back to Merstack. In today's session, I'm going to talk about how we can add our custom methods to the data mapper global method sections. Okay, so let's say you have a specific requirement in your project, like generating a random alphanumeric string to create a password. Okay, so that kind of methods is not available in the default method section. So what we can do is we can write our own Java code, custom code, and then we can build that functionality, and then we can import this Java code to the custom classes folder in the Adaptia installation directory. We'll see that how we can do that. So to demo this, what I did is I took one data mapper, okay, and I have created simple context schema where I have only one context variable. So to demo the this functionality, okay. So quickly go to the Java code. What I did is I have created one class, Java class. Inside that class, I have get alphanumeric method, and I used UID to generate the random string. So maximum length of this string is 36. Beyond that, we can't. If you have requirement, you can go for other options. But I wanted to show small demo. So UID random UID method generates a 36 length alphanumeric string, and from that string I just said that I want so runtime I can ask for 5 length, 10 length, 20 length, whatever, till 36. So I went with that option, so that randomly you'll get a string. During runtime we can get the string based on the length provided. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So if you see I have passed 36. Let me run this and show you. So I got it. Let's say make it 10. Okay, so save. Yeah, it's working fine. Alphanumeric you can see. Okay, let's import this class into the custom classes folder. So if you go to the bin folder, you'll get this class file. Just copy this. Okay, and we need to go to, and one more thing to note here is don't give any package name here. Okay, so it won't allow that in the custom classes folder. So let's go to the custom classes folder. Here these are the default classes available. Let's paste it that here. Okay, continue. Once your class is pasted here, just go to the services section and restart your kernel service. Okay, to pick those newly loaded classes. So let's go and close our data mapper. Yeah, so our kernel service are restarted. Let's go to the data mapper and again open it. Let's go. Okay, so let's go to the global methods. Now you can see that this class is getting added here. Yeah, this was not there earlier. Now because of our custom code, it's coming here. So let's see, and then uh, let's use this method. Let me pass 20, and let's assign this mapping. Let's go to the debugger mode, generate markup data. Yeah, it's working fine. See that we are getting. Let's go and change the length. That's a 10. Okay, save it. Let's go to debugger mode, run it again. Yeah, we are getting this. So this way we can add our custom Java methods, Java classes inside the custom classes folder here. Then restart your services, and then make use of those classes or methods inside your data mapper. Yeah, so that's all from this session. Hope you liked it. Hope you feel it's useful. So thanks for watching. Share with your friends. Hit the like button, hit the bell icon so that you'll get notification on the future videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.